Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hola, ¿cómo estás? I really do appreciate. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So CNCO decided to release a music video to their song Por Amarte Así while I was at work, and the CNCO fans who I do talk to on the Instagram every other day were like, they release a video, and I was like, guys, when I get off work, I'm going straight to it and I'm gonna react to it and post it the day I reacted. So hopefully YouTube won't block it. So if YouTube doesn't block it, that means you guys are seeing it. If I never believe in God, I believe in one now. So this is a music video to this song Por Amor Así. So let's go. I hope this was not like publicity stunt for Come Through Woods. I know this is not Miami. Siempre serás la niña que me llena el alma, como un mar inquieto, como un mar en calma. Let's get something straight here, because I see the other day a thank you so much, a CNC owner that I talked to on the regular. You know what? Let me shout them out right now, because I think this person messaged me a couple times today. What is it? Putaria CNCOBR. Is it from Brazil? Yes. Thank you so much. It's PUTARIACNCOBR. I think he's from Brazil. So he sent me, like, go to Richard page, because Richard delete all his posts and talking about, you know, F this, F that. It's all about me and my family. So was this a publicity stunt to promote this music video? I want to know. Let's get back to this video. I am not going to talk about Joel's hair. I am not. Come through it. Come through with the visuals. Oh, I hate them. Oh, I hate this group. Oh, I'm here. I love this era. I love this Deja Vu era. I will say it over and over and over and over. Deja Vu, the remake to these classic male boy groups that they took the inspiration from, and they took the music and they did their own twist on it in the music video, their own interpretation of it. I love it. I love it. I see budget. I see creativity. I'm hoping that this album is, I believe the group is the one who basically this is their choice. And I'm happy for that, and hopefully the album that they want to release can continue what they're giving us in this album, because I think this album is great. Deja Vu album is great. Like I told you, you guys know. I already said this to you guys. You guys know. I already have my album. And I recommend anyone to go do it. If you don't know to speak Spanish, thank God for Google Translation. Thank God for English version. So there should be no excuse. I will say this over and over and over. It's kind of getting too repetitive for me because I'm sick of saying it too, but what they were 5 years ago versus now, and you could hear the vocal technique and the vocal power and the change within their voice over the years. It's I think it's very good that they're just, it shows to me that this, they invest in their craft, if that makes sense. They invest in their craft. They're just not doing just to make money like most people. Let me go back to the music video because I want no one's coming for me. Come on, Richard. Oh, that was a nice one. Come through with flexibility. Yes. Yes. Yes, that was CNC Por Amor TC. Por Amor TC. That was their song. Oh, that was a music video that they just released a few hours ago. Oh my god. I like it. I will say it over and over. I see budget. To me this is the best. This is their best. But that song Toxica though, vocally, I don't think nothing has beat Toxica yet. Except Hero. Because Richard did kill that song. But Toxica though, they're really you know what, this is, to me, I think this is their best. This Deja Vu is the best. It's their best to me. It's the best. I'm sorry, it's the best to me vocally. Their song great. Creative wise, the song, it's amazing. Visually amazing. Aesthetic amazing. They look good. I would not say anything about Joel's hair. But for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? And please, always remember, the CD is now available. Bye. They should pay me. Hire me. Oh yes, if you're gonna hire me, I don't take nothing less than $45,000. If you're gonna hire me as an assistant, I would take $40,000 with one of my eye closed. Oof. 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 It's gonna be so hard to go below $20 an hour. Oh.